Demand for fire-resistant windows is rising after the nation's most extensive summer fires.
There's not very many manufacturers in Australia as yet that make windows like we do.
If you have the highest bushfire event happening, the house might be still heavily damaged, but at least there is no loss of lives.
Based in country Victoria, this manufacturer specialises in fire-safe windows and doors.
We have people coming in from all over Australia to see our product and get supply from us.
Our customers are about 50% or so still from Victoria, and maybe 30–40% from New South Wales, and the rest from other states.
Growing up in Austria in extreme cold gave Edith and Tony Paarhammer the idea for a window business, adapting glass for our extreme climate to create more comfortable homes.
In the beginning, it was a lot of European immigrants who were looking for these sort of windows. And the window is one of the weakest links in the building envelope. It's very easy to fix up the roof or insulate the walls. The window is the most difficult and expensive product to solve.
This factory was also designed to be energy efficient. It has a 99 kilowatt solar system on the roof, as well as its own purpose-built heating circuit, which runs on waste.
We put the briquettes in the boiler at the top. We light the fire in the middle here, and it burns from the bottom up. And this is where we then get the ashes out from here. But what it does, it heats up 5,000 litres of water, which then get pumped around the whole factory.
Manufacturing is one of Victoria's largest employers, supporting more than 270,000 jobs. And this business hires more than 20 staff, including many from diverse backgrounds.
When we really needed staff and couldn't find anyone local, we contacted the Multicultural Society in Ballarat, and Dow came via that. Dow was a refugee from Sudan. He spent quite a few years in Kenya in refugee camps and then came to Australia, and so now he's with us.
And he's been here for a while, has he?
He's been here for the second year.
Edith Paarhammer is proud to be a trailblazer who's making a name in a fairly male-dominated industry.
At the moment I'm doing an MBA to learn more about business and how we can improve it. So I think women just are very adaptable and can do anything if you really want to.
The Victorian Government has supported them with trade connections and training.
Business Victoria helped us in the earlier years with a business evaluation as well as a business plan, and that made a big difference for us. Later on, we also were very, very lucky to be a recipient of a grant when we built this factory.
Paarhammer Windows and Doors recently won the Victorian Government's Manufacturing Hall of Fame Award for small business.
That was the biggest award that we ever received. I mean, we received lots of awards for our products and so forth, but the Manufacturer Award is for what we actually do here, and it is not just an award for us, it's an award for all of our staff, really.
They credit a robotic spray painter for their success.
While initially it was financially a big challenge to get this robot installed and into working, it was certainly a challenge. It was planning forward for the next sort of 10 years.
It gave us a large step ahead to be an efficient manufacturer, and it solved a lot of problems.
It's quite involved manufacturing, and you need to invest a fair bit of money in machinery as well as in training.
So the secret is you have a dream, you plan towards, you work towards, but at the same time you always change and evolve and adapt to the demands within the market.